Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing and trying my Boxycharm for the month. I did this for my Glambag Plus. You guys really seem to like it, so I just wanted to come on here and do one for Boxycharm. I did mention in that video that this is my favorite subscription for makeup products. I just wanted to kind of start reviewing these every month for you guys. I thought it would be a nice little series and you guys will have something to look forward to and maybe something you guys can join me on and follow my tutorials on if you would like. The Boxycharm looks like, if you guys are not familiar, you get 5 full-size products every single month for, I believe, $21, but I'm going to leave a link and everything down below if you guys are interested. We'll have a little star next to it. That means that is an affiliate link, so if you guys use that, I do get compensated. I want to put that out there. I never want to lie to you guys about what I'm getting paid to do. Obviously, I'm not getting paid to do this video. This is not a sponsored video. The link that I do provide for you guys does give me a commission if you guys use it to sign up. So we open it up and it has your little card. These little babies always have like a lot of information about the products in it, and it also has some coupons on the back. What I see inside the box, first thing I see are some brushes. One called Alamar, and it's just their eye brush set. I see a palette, which I'm so excited. The aesthetic of this box is just super pretty. It's just very like shabby chic. Here is the palette, and it says Nightingale, and this is by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow palette. And when you open it, it has all of these gorgeous shades, and it looks like a bird cage. Rock Pro Liquid Lipstick. Let's see the color. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a burgundy color. Laura Geller Blush. It looks like this. It comes with this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precise Liner. You start off with the eyes in the little bird cage palette. These feel really soft. Hopefully we can create a look using these. If not, I will probably go grab my eyeshadow brushes. This color as the transition shade right here called Hide and Seek. My thoughts on the eyeshadow so far is it blends really well, very pigmented. I don't see really any fallout. I'm pretty happy and content with this palette so far, but we've only used one shade, so we'll see how it goes as we go towards the darker shades. Next eyeshadow I'm going to be using is this one called Flip Out, to be basically applying it slightly and just tapping it on, applying it to the outer and inner corners of the eyes. Taking this to apply my eyelid color. For the eyelid color, I'm just going to take this bronzy color here. It looks like it has a little bit of glitter in it. I'm going to intensify the look and apply this color called Swoop in the inner and outer corners. This little flat brush. I'm going to apply this color on the brow bone. Take this black eyeshadow color right here, and we're going to place that on the lash line. I'll be using some of my favorite eyelashes. These are by the Icon Lash, and these are in the style Slay. I will link them down below with the coupon code for you guys. Now we finished doing the lashes, and we're going to continue to the bottom of the eyes. We're going to be taking the same palette, and we're just going to take the brown colors we used in the crease, and we're basically just going to use those to smoke out the lower lash line. Taking the same blending brush and Hide and Seek, and we're just going to blend that underneath the eyes. Take this Tarte mascara, and we're just going to apply that to the lower and top lashes. So I totally forgot to use the Butter London eyeliner, so I'm just going to show you guys on my hand. It's like really strange. It has a little ball. Seem like the things I used to cut pizza. It looks just like that except smaller. It's time to try the Laura Geller blush. The M411 brush to apply this blush. I heard a lot about Laura Geller blushes, so let's see what the hype's about. I'm not even gonna have to use a highlight with this because this already looks like it has highlight in it. 2-in-1 product. Can't complain. To the camera. Say hi, babies. finally, it's time to do the lip color. It's really bold, and I did a really bold eye. Oh, pigmented and smooth. Guys, that was everything for this Boxycharm review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to keep seeing these like Boxycharm kind of reviews every single month or not. And just me putting on or trying on whatever came in my Boxycharm. I love watching these because I like seeing what other people come up with their boxes and like what kind of looks I can do. And until the end, don't forget to leave this emoji right here. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the little bell notification on if you are new. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah.